I do walk around videos for pretty much every pre-owned vehicle we have, and you rarely hear me say this, but this is a vehicle, this is a truck I'd like to take home. I absolutely love it. It's beautiful and great shape. Let's dive in and I'll tell you why. Hi, this is Joe from Scarff Ford, and today we're going to talk about this amazing 2017 Silverado Z71 LT. Let's talk about it. Nice example. It has a tasteful lift kit, wheel and tire package, Z71 Off-Road Package. All great stuff, but the one thing I like about this truck is a 2017, and this is, I'm filming this as of September 2025, so most of these Silverados that are 2017 have 60, 70, 80, 90,000 miles on it. But if we look at the odometer on this one, it's only 30,000 miles. And look at the thing, it's in beautiful shape. This truck is really nice. I love the color combination, white on black. The black wheels, the black side steps, nice contrasting colors. It's got a nice little it's got a black bull bar in the front. And we have a Fabtech lift kit. It's not cheap to do all this stuff to a truck. You can buy a stock Silverado and add all this stuff onto it, or you can buy one like this where it's already added on for you. So it's gonna be a lot cheaper to buy one where it's already done. Unfortunately, when you accessorize a truck like this, when you do these things, you get pennies on the dollar when you trade them in. So, you know, we're not asking that much more than a stock Silverado for this one, where if you bought a stock Silverado and added all this stuff onto it, it'd be a lot more money. You know, some dealerships, they do in-house lift kits and stuff like that where they add this stuff themselves, and you'll see customers leaving the dealership with a loan for the truck and another loan for the lift kit and the wheels and tires. You'll only need one loan on this one. 6-foot bed with a nice spray and bed liner. Obviously the Z71 Off-Road Package gives a little bit better off-road prowess. We have a nice dual exhaust that sounds really nice. 4 doors makes it a great family vehicle, and those side steps make it easier for shorter people, especially kids, to get in and out. A fan favorite of truck enthusiasts is the Vortec 5.3 liter V8. Great split between efficiency and power. It makes 355 horsepower. It also has this nice cold air intake on it. The 5.3 Vortec is considered one of the most reliable V8s ever produced and put in vehicles in the US market. Don't take my word for it, do some research. Nothing but great accolades. You have a storage here, and you can also flip it up so you can sit 3 across for a total of 6. Infotainment system with rear parking camera, dual zone auto climate control, nice leather up wheel, integrated trailer brake controller, rotary dial to operate the 4-wheel drive system, 2-wheel drive auto, great for variable conditions like a mix of like dry pavement, snow and ice, 4-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive low range, and man, only 30,000 miles. This thing's absolutely beautiful. Maybe you're watching this video, you know, 5 years in the future on YouTube for information, but maybe you're watching this a lot closer and this truck is still available. If you're looking for a nice truck with a lift kit, don't pass up this one. Like I said, I'd love to take this one home. Watch all my other videos I do for Scarff Ford. I really say that. I say a lot of good things about vehicles, but rarely do I say I want this thing, I drive it home. If I was in the market for a pickup truck, I would buy this one 1,000,000%. We're Scarff Ford. We sell new Fords, new Isuzus, and a very wide variety of pre-owned vehicles, as you can see. Luckily, we took this one in on trade. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.